Deputy Chief Minister ka Meghalaya ba sniaw bahalang dahar ula ang baka hukum penyat kam ka basyongdor prapuklo nakabentar ka jing pynheh ya kakat liengsuin ha umyam lamang balakmi lenci ba shen on sdang ya ka jing atre bante. Udhar ulay turu baka sorkar jela lembat kibor penyat Airport Authority of India kinsa perlongi ka jing jurip lang khnang ban pen scam ya ka jing don kam ban shim jaka shushu nakabentar ka ni ka kam pynheh ya ka ni ka project.
The airport from the Shillong bypass because the present road it's very lengthy.
Here, the work is under progress. From Belfort, Langkading to Newscater to walk Umroi directly to the airport. Road is under progress now. This is 135 crore from the department. As per the, I didn't see the nuclear agreement. So since the work has been allotted, so I'm yet to get the exact condition, term condition. It seems 18 months from the date of issuing of work order. But it's still.
What about the compensation?